What's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys the best oil-free vegan hummus in the world. Personally, this is the Mac Daddy of oil-free vegan hummuses that I have made, and it's my favorite recipe that I've been making probably for over a month now, ever since Trader Joe's has stopped stocking their eggplant hummus. I'm also very excited to announce that this recipe is from my brand new ebook, Let's Get Saucy. This ebook has over 55 vegan sauce recipes that will blow your mind. They're my favorite vegan sauce recipes I've created throughout the years. There's vegan mac and cheese, Alfredo pasta sauce, cashew sour cream, pico de gallo. There's potato sauces, rice sauces, teriyaki sauce, dessert sauces, vegan icing. Literally so many vegan sauces. You just won't even know what to do with them all. So I will leave the link to my new ebook down below. Go check it out if you're interested. It's only $10, and like I said, there's over 55 vegan sauce recipes. Alright, so getting into how we're going to make this delicious oil-free hummus. This is a really super easy recipe to make. It's going to take you a few minutes. The first ingredient that we're going to need is a can of garbanzo beans. I like to use these organic ones from Eden Organic because they don't have any added sodium or anything. We're just going to strain them because we are going to be using the aquafaba from the can. But from making this recipe, I've noticed that sometimes the can has more or less aquafaba in it. So I don't just like to pour it in there because we want to be using half a cup exactly of the aquafaba, which is going to make it super fluffy and creamy when we blend it. The next thing that we're going to add into here is 3 tablespoons of tahini, 3 whole garlic cloves, you can just throw them right in there, the juice from 1 lemon, half a teaspoon of sea salt, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, and then 1/4 teaspoon of cumin. I like to make my hummus really spicy, so this is optional, but I always add, I don't know, half a tablespoon of chili pepper in there just to make it nice and spicy. The secret to making really creamy, fluffy hummus is blending it. You're going to want to use a high-speed blender. If you don't have a high-speed blender, that's okay. You can still make really good hummus. But even with my Vitamix, I blend this for 2 minutes exactly. So if you have a blender that's not as great as a Vitamix, just blend it as long as you possibly can until it gets really fluffy and creamy. And then to store this, it lasts up to a week. You just want to make sure that you put it in the fridge in a covered container. My favorite thing to put this hummus on is, first of all, avocado toast, because it's amazing on avocado toast. It just gives it a really good flavor. I also really just love dipping vegetables or pita bread into this as a snack in between meals. And of course, if you have watched any of my videos, you'll know that I'm obsessed with putting hummus on red lentil chili. If you haven't tried it, you have to try it. It is the best combination ever. I can't even eat red lentil chili without hummus anymore. That is it for today's recipe. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to be posting way more recipes on this channel for you guys, so if you are interested or need any vegan, oil-free, whole foods, plant-based recipes to help you with your health or your weight loss journey, make sure to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.